welcome to a new watercolor video. It's been quite a while since I made a watercolor video, but I'm going to do some watercolor doodles and I haven't got a clue what I'm going to paint. So I've got this watercolor book out and I'm going to try and find some inspiration in this, and I'm going to be painting with the Daniel Smith colours. So this is Modern Watercolor Botanicals by Sarah Simon, and it's an absolutely beautiful, beautiful book. And there's lots of information and there's lots of detailed step-by-step instructions. Looks like a really brilliant in-depth book, and some of them look quite advanced. Some of the tutorials look quite advanced, but some of them look quite beginner friendly as well. But I really like these leaves. I'm going to have a go at these leaves here. So I'm going to try and paint this leaf here. So I'm going to start off with a really light colour. This is Serpentine Genuine, and I'm using a mop brush, and I'm going to try and get that shape of that leaf. Make it fairly watery. Now I'm also trying to leave those little holes in there. Look how beautiful that Serpentine Genuine is, because it's got that little bit of red mixed into it. It's separating on the page. It's so nice. I'm going to absorb these little puddles because I want it to dry faster so that I can put the second layer on. I'm going to try mixing more of the Serpentine Genuine with the Undersea Green, which is this dark one here. So I'm mixing these two together. And then I'm going to paint all the little sections individually like they're painted on here with this mix, and then at the very edges, while it's still wet, drop in more of the Undersea Green, which is really dark. So I've swapped to this Billy Shovel paintbrush, by the way, because it's got a fabulous point for this type of painting. Gonna add a little bit of raw umber, and a little bit of undersea green. Just to darken that. Pretty pleased with that. I think that's quite nice. I've also got these eradicator brushes. I thought they were by Billy Shovel, but they're not. They're Rosemary & Co. Unless Rosemary & Co. was maybe in collaboration with Billy Shovel. I'm not really sure. So these are for lifting out. So I'm going to use this little one to lift out a highlight in the stalk, if it will. Yeah, really nice.